Nyinga en James Opondo. Jauchiel kamoting'o obila ariyo kod MCA Mama Kalda Kanyarwanda Felix Okwanyo oyudo hinyruok bang' kweth moko ariyo bedo kod gwandruok kalaro lowo man kod mula mantie Nyatike kaunti ma Migori. Tulo makamano nomuoch bang' gavana ma Migori Ochilo Ayako nodonjo kar kunyo mula no motelo ne romo manochan tim gi jokuny mula ewi bath lobno man kod mula mane idwa timne kod desa. Gavana Ayako notam donjo e kar kunyo mula no gi oganda moko mane goyo koko, gino manochuno obila tiyo gi teko mondo mi gavana no odonje kar kunyo mula no. Kata kamano jokuny mula go notiyo gi lweny moko gi gig lweny moko mar rakore gi obila kendo hinyo obila ariyo ka ji mamoko ariyo noyudo hinyruok bang' kanochwadgi gi magina. Ji mamoko ariyo noyudo hinyruok matindo.
Wananchi wanalia, wanasema they don't want Chinese, then you want to force Chinese to the hill by force. So I think the people, power belongs to the people. The people have sent a very strong message, and also I'm beseeching the security team, let them not be used like tissue paper. More so to my DCC, let them not be used like tissue paper with our leaders.
Member of the county assembly of that area had a fight with some people there. When I went there, he wasn't there. I found representatives of the artisanal miners. We had a brief discussion with them, and while I was there, of course, I was accompanied by official national security people, the DCC and the security people there. They complained about the presence of brokers, the presence of people, and they implored me to consider giving them the first bite at the cherry, supporting them so that they would benefit from the mineral deposits.
My doctors and my team of nurses at the emergency room, they are handling it accordingly. Right now, most of the patients which have been brought, they are absolutely stable, but yes, they do have serious injuries, especially to the head and to the chest area.